Craftsman 19-in-1 is a durable plastic storage system designed for efficient and secure tool organization. This set includes 3 stackable cases of varying sizes, allowing you to store different types of tools and supplies while ensuring quick and easy access. Each of the 3 drawers is securely stacked on top of one another, and transportation is effortless thanks to a telescopic handle and 2 sturdy wheels. The cases feature tight sealing latches to prevent moisture intrusion, ensuring that your tools remain protected. Additionally, each case is detachable, allowing for individual use when needed. Inside the drawers, adjustable dividers provide customizable compartments, letting you organize your tools according to your needs. The maximum load capacity of the storage system is 400 pounds, making it a versatile and reliable solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Milwaukee M18 325 Stiff Pipeline Inspection System is a rugged and high-performance tool designed for professional pipeline inspections, featuring a high-resolution camera and stiff push cable. It provides clear visuals even in tough conditions. The M18 battery system ensures long-lasting power, making it ideal for extended use on job sites. Its compact design and wireless connectivity allow for easy maneuverability and real-time image sharing. Built for durability, it's a must-have for plumbers and maintenance professionals handling pipeline diagnostics. Jikari Universal Tray is a practical organizer designed to enhance convenience when working on a ladder. This versatile accessory securely holds various tools and small items, ensuring that everything you need is within reach while working at height. The tray consists of 3 compact compartments, allowing for efficient organization of different tools and materials. It also features dedicated slots for screwdrivers, keeping them securely in place. Designed for easy installation, the tray can be mounted onto any ladder rung opening and firmly secured. Its adjustable design enables quick height adjustments, whether raising or lowering, without obstructing movement on the ladder. Additionally, it offers multi-directional adjustments for maximum flexibility. Made from durable plastic, this sturdy and lightweight tool ensures long-lasting reliability for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Milwaukee M1818 Volt Force Logic 12 T Utility Crimper is a powerful cordless crimping tool designed for professional utility work. Equipped with 12 tons of output force, it ensures precise and secure crimps on a variety of connectors. The M18 Red Lithium battery system provides long-lasting performance, while the One Key technology allows for real-time tracking and tool customization. Its balanced ergonomic design reduces user fatigue, making it ideal for heavy-duty electrical applications. Built for efficiency and durability, it's a game-changer for utility professionals. Worx Nitro Cordless Nail Gun is powered by the PowerShare battery system, which is compatible with approximately 140 Worx power tools. Offering high performance, this nailer can drive up to 80 nails per minute, making it a reliable choice for various projects. Equipped with advanced nail force impact technology, it ensures strong penetration, allowing nails to be driven into hardwood surfaces with ease. The tool supports nail depths of up to 2 inches and includes a jam release function for quick removal of stuck nails. For added safety and convenience, it features nail ejection protection during nail changes. Additionally, the quick release magazine allows for fast and efficient reloading, ensuring seamless workflow on any job. Case for Milwaukee M18 Drill and Driver is a durable, waterproof hard case designed to protect your Milwaukee tools. It features custom molded compartments for your cordless hammer, drill impact driver battery, and charger, keeping everything secure and organized. The rugged exterior provides shock resistance and impact protection, ensuring your tools stay safe during transport. With a heavy-duty handle and sturdy latches, it's built for easy carrying and long-term durability. Ideal for professionals and DIYers, this red and black case is a must-have for Milwaukee tool users. Milwaukee Cordless Metal Saw features a high-performance brushless motor designed for power and durability without quickly wearing out. It delivers a maximum speed of 3,900 RPM, ensuring efficient cutting performance. Powered by an M18 lithium battery, the saw can make up to 370 cuts in 3/4-inch metal on a single charge, providing enough runtime for a full day's work. It comes with an 8-inch blade, while its metal and plastic construction ensures durability and reliability. For added comfort and usability, the saw has a rubberized handle for a secure grip. A built-in hook allows users to hang the tool on a ladder, minimizing the risk of accidental drops. Weighing just 5.8 pounds, it remains lightweight and easy to handle. DeWALT Work Light is an excellent choice for illuminating underhood areas and other dark spaces. At maximum output, it delivers 1,700 lumens, ensuring even the darkest spots are well lit. This adjustable flashlight extends from 51 inches to 74 inches, providing versatile coverage. The soft, non-marring hooks securely attach to the hood without scratching the paint, making installation quick and effortless. Equipped with high-quality LED light sources, the flashlight offers long-lasting performance. It is powered by DeWALT lithium-ion batteries compatible with 12-volt, 20-volt, or 60-volt systems. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, it remains lightweight and easy to transport, making it a practical and durable lighting solution. Milwaukee M18 Force Logix 750 MCM die-less crimper delivers precision and power for heavy-duty crimping without the need for interchangeable dies. Its adaptive pressure control ensures consistent, high-quality crimps across a variety of connector sizes. The M18 red lithium battery system provides long-lasting performance, reducing downtime on the job. Designed for one-handed operation, it enhances efficiency while minimizing user fatigue. Built tough for demanding job sites, this crimper is a must-have for professional electricians and utility workers. Makita cordless brush cutter features a 24-inch blade and delivers exceptional performance in a lightweight design weighing just 5.95 pounds. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this eco-friendly tool operates with zero emissions and minimal noise. Its high-efficiency brushless motor running at 4,000 RPM offers 50% greater efficiency, making it ideal for cutting through dense vegetation. The signature turquoise color and distinct Makita branding enhance its appeal. Designed to cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick, this trimmer is sold without a battery or charger, making it a convenient choice for users who already own Makita tools. Milwaukee MXF301-2CXS MX Fuel handheld core drill kit is built for high-performance concrete drilling with unmatched power and portability. Featuring a brushless motor and lithium-ion battery, it delivers corded-level performance without the hassle of cords. The included stand provides added stability for precise, controlled drilling in tough materials. With auto-stop technology, it enhances safety by preventing over-rotation. Perfect for professionals, this drill is ideal for heavy-duty applications in construction and masonry work. Skill Compact Multi-Cutter is a versatile tool designed for effortlessly cutting through various materials such as cardboard, carpet leather, and vinyl, up to 6 millimeters thick. It features a 40 millimeter diameter blade that stays sharp over time, ensuring precise and accurate cuts with every use. Engineered for both performance and comfort, this lightweight compact tool has an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand. For added safety, it includes a built-in power lock to prevent accidental startups. With a blade speed of 300 RPM, it's optimized for cutting most materials you'll encounter. Compatible with all Skill 12-volt batteries, this multi-cutter is a reliable tool for a wide range of tasks, whether you're working on a DIY project or a more demanding job. Qbit cutter is a highly efficient and dependable attachment designed for cutting holes in drywall and similar materials. Weighing 2.4 pounds, it offers precision and smooth edges, unlike traditional drywall saws that often leave jagged cuts. Constructed from durable metal, the cutter features double walls and reinforcements, ensuring greater rigidity and longevity. It excels at creating clean, rectangular openings without causing damage to surrounding surfaces. The AirFlex safety technology enhances operating efficiency, while the universal saw blade is compatible with multiple brands. Designed for quick and hassle-free installation, the attachment includes universal mounting holes, making it a versatile and practical tool.